Good morning, students. This is Preeti Dhingra Chetkara, the economics teacher at Bright Scholar Senior Secondary School, Sonipat. Today's topic is for class 12th economics students, and the topic is circular flow of income. We know that in our economy, money, goods and services, it always exchange and flow from one sector of the economy to the another sector of economy. So circular flow of income is a model of the economy which represent that how goods, services and money exchange among the different sectors in the economy. Look at the board. The circular flow of income is a model of the economy which show the major exchanges represented as flow of goods, services, money among the different sectors of the economy. This model will show us that how goods, services and money flow from one sector of the economy to the another sector of the economy. The different sectors involved in circular flow of income are producing sector which produce goods and services. Household sector is the owner of factor of production. The factor of production are land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. Then the third sector is government sector. Government impose taxes both on producing sector and household sector. Also, government use or consume the goods and services manufactured by the producing sector. Government also use the factor services of the household sector. The fourth sector is rest of the world sector, known as the foreign sector. This involve the import and exports that are held in our economy. Look at here. Household sector is the owner of factor of production, land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. All these factor of production are to be used by producing sector in order to produce goods and services. Now the next topic, the types of flow in our economy. There are two types of flow in our economy. The first one is real flow and the second one is money flow. There are two types of flow. The first one is real flow and the second one is money flow. We have already discussed the producers in the household. Producer, they produce goods and services for the economy. Household sector is the owner of factor of production. Producers, they use the factor services or the factor of production from household sector. And by using that factor of production, what they will do? They will produce goods and services. That goods and services they will give to household sectors. Somehow like that, the barter system in which goods are being given in return of factor services. In real flow, there is no involvement of money at all. Only goods and services are being exchanged among the sectors. Now, I do explain it by the PPT also. Real flow. The producer use the factor services of household sector. In return, what they will do? They will give goods and services to the household sector. There is not at all movement of money in this flow, and this flow is also known as physical flow. This is somehow a concept of barter system. The second type of flow is money flow, in which money flow among the different sector, or you can say that there is involvement of money as a medium of exchange. Like we take the previous example, the producers, they have used the household factors, or you can say the producer has used the factor services of the household sector. In return, what they will do? They will pay them. The land will be given rent. Similarly, labor will be given wages. So, in this, the producer will make the payment to the household sector in terms of factors payment for using their services. Household sector also consume the goods and services being rendered by producers. Obviously, when we go in the market and purchase something, we have to pay. Similarly, here the household sector will pay to the producers in terms of consumption expenditure. In money flow, there is involvement of money. The money flow is also known as nominal flow, as there is movement of money in the money flow. Now, to explain it by the PPT. Money flow, household sector will be given factor of payment by the producers. As the producers, they use the factor services of the household sector. For that, they will make the payment to them. Household sector also use the goods and services. For that, what they will do? They will make the payment for goods and services in terms of consumption expenditure. So, what is the main difference between the real and money flow? In money flow, there is involvement of money. And in real flow, there is no involvement of money at all. The next is the assignment based on these questions. Okay, now is the assignment question. The first question is, what is circular flow of income? Already discussed. Explain real flow. Already discussed. Explain real flow with the help of a diagram. Next question, explain money flow with the help of a diagram. These three questions we have already discussed. The last question, the difference between real flow and money flow. I think so that required a little more discussion, so that I am also sharing the solution of this question. The first basis of difference is meaning. In real flow, there is flow of goods and services between firm and household. In money flow, there is flow of money between the firm and household. This we have already discussed. In real flow, there is no involvement of money. In money flow, there is involvement of money. As name suggests, money flow. Then the next basis of difference is kind of exchange. Real flow, it involved exchange of goods and services. And money flow, it involved exchange of money between the two sectors that we have already discussed. Then the third basis of difference is difficulty of exchange. There is difficulty in case of real exchange, as the barter system of exchange, they are having the certain demerit. You cannot preserve these goods and services to be rendered in future. And in money flow, there is no such difficulty, as money can be used to be paid in the future also. The next basis of difference is alternative name. The real flow is known as physical flow, and money flow is also known as nominal flow. So students, that's all for today. Share your assignment either by WhatsApp, the number is already shared with you, or by the email. So have a safe, be safe, and procure yourself from this coronavirus, and do this assignment and submit me tomorrow positively. Have a good day.